Hello, and welcome to One Take. My name is Austin McChord, and I'm Datto's founder and CEO. Today, I want to talk about an incredible feature built into every single access point that we sell: self-healing mesh. As you know, Datto acquired OpenMesh in early 2017, and through this acquisition, we actually acquired some pretty amazing technology that they've been building into their access points for years that many people might not know about. Every single OpenMesh AP is capable of building a self-healing interconnected mesh with all of the other access points that make up the network. That way, if a single network cable goes down or an AP becomes disconnected, they can actually mesh together and continue to spread the Wi-Fi out across an office, even with a physical disconnection in between. Or in the case where a single AP becomes unavailable or disappears, that mesh can automatically reconfigure itself and, as the name says, self-heal, restoring connectivity. This technology is unique to Datto's access points and is just one way that we try to make MSPs' lives easier by building the most resilient and powerful networking hardware for the small business market today. So that's all I have for this week's One Take. Check in next week for more stuff.